Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We'll be back with another one, bafethu. Sibuyile vyo nok Mapagania ngiphethe amajumbo studio Mr. Mlambo Mnandi.
Asimnandi mfethu ungangajabuli wine 6.
There's no way.
Sijabulile sibana.
There's no way. Ghost.
Six mabone. Sijabulile kakhulu. It's back at the top.
Back at the top where we belong.
Yeah.
Obviously it's TX Galaxy nil in the Orlando Pirates nil. Orlando Pirates 6, I mean. Before we jump into it, obviously we went to Mluli Mapagania. We couldn't go to Mbombela because of obvious reasons. It's been explaining. We did a watch along there. Mluli. Shout out to Mluli and his family. First time going to Mluli.
Yeah.
It was a great experience.
Mnandi ndanga.
Yeah, I'll explain a lot more Mapagania.
Mfethu soqala sibonge izandla zivule ekhanda kubaba uMdluli noma Mdluli like ndanga noma sivela mfethu like it's warm kusekhaya mfethu ekhaya lamabhakaniya and it's nice mfethu to be around amabhakaniya outside of stadium makasiba bhaya. I think it was the first time ukuthi ngiyela kababa uMdluli. Ndanga most definitely sazobuyela again and again.
Yeah.
Sekhaya mfethu la sibonge kakhulu ubaba uMdluli noma Mdluli nalamabhakaniya mewakhona naleli yakhosi elibhakaniya nalo siyabonga.
Siyabonga le.
Yeah.
Great experience ndanga kuba uMdluli mfethu at that place mfethu kuba uMdluli usikhandele wona ndanga. What I like ukuthi mfethu is good mfethu. Like everything Orlando Pirates, the family Orlando Pirates, the two twins or the twins Orlando Pirates. It's just that I think you don't know the son indana kaMdluli Khosi yona bengekho that time.
Sure.
But nayo masira ntanga like he celebrates with us, you know.
Yeah.
He understands ukuthi family amabhakani ngithola. Shout out to Baba Mdluli.
Shout out to Baba Mdluli as always mfethu. Welcoming. And bengimtshela ngithi Baba Mdluli masila kuwe sishaya abantu waya. Yeah, sala sibuya ne victory masilapha esikotini saka Baba Mdluli. So yeah, big ups to Baba Mdluli mfethu as always.
Yeah. Big ups Baba Mdluli mfethu. Obviously ndanga diving straight into the game ngithola.
Sure.
We won 6-0. Top of the table, and of course, Mamelodi Sundowns came in and because they were handling the KF duties. Thoughts on the game?
I think Danga firstly the win is good for us.
Yeah.
And the score, I'm satisfied.
Yeah.
And the score is noma bangathi mekumele score ngakhe 6 ndanga mengayibhekanga.
Sure.
Remember mesikhuluma before the games complaining ukuthi coach uqala kanjani.
Yeah.
I was one of them. Good and starting 11, you could have been strong.
Yeah.
But it's 17 on the day.
Sure.
And Sabe is jabulile mfethu. We started the game well. We scored our chances 6. 6 is big score down. After the pressure which we having. Now laba be Sundowns bagayi courage ukuthi ayibhekani sila.
Yeah.
The game tanga mekuyithi. Mekuyithi mfethu. Like that fortunate moment yakambuthuma playing good pass to Umuremi.
Yeah.
Tanga that changed everything.
Changed
You understand?
everything,
So that was the game basically. After that message imini zama ukulungisa ama conversion rate wethu. Leswalungisile mfethu because we scored 6.
Yeah. Beautiful game, ndanga 6-0 mfethu. When last did we win 6-0? You know? I think it was Tatano came with the state. It was first time winning with the margin of 6 away from home.
Yeah.
It's a milestone. That's huge. Considering title race, he kept on emphasizing goal difference. I hope Ghost don't stress anymore. Remember, he used to say, support the goal. Performance in Tanga, we didn't. Let's be honest. TS Galaxy, they didn't lay a glove on us.
Sure.
That game was decided in 4 minutes. In fact, when Butuma played that beautiful pass to Morem, young Jordan, and that pass in Tanga,
First touch.
I had a chance to look back at that pass in Tanga. Ghost, in fact.
Perfectly weighted.
I'm for eminent like this really Mutuma like quality pass
Sure.
and it's not only about the pass because I receive a Polele was facing his goal and then I tell a shy pass of course in fact pace it became vital in that moment. Beautiful play of course in fact will touch on real also hat-trick hero in danger. Uringe var bengathi sejimini like for sometimes in fact when you ghost in fact it's a game and like women's and one or we really need this 3 points
Sure.
if you lose this 3 points it's done and then first minute free kick goal like opposition is down to 9 men super relaxed like
Game
that's
safe.
how I watched the game like I was relaxed more than anything
Sure.
thoughts on the game, Ghost?
Yeah, no, I think I pretty much share the same sentiments. In fact, it was an easy game for us. You can say it was not difficult to get a result. And yeah, kudos to the boys. In fact, since the Relaga conversion, they were clinical. In fact, to scoring 6 goals. And yeah, boosting that goal difference. In fact, if Mamelodi Sundowns like a throw, they're still top. So yeah, I think kudos to the boys. Really, in fact, fantastic hat-trick hero. In fact, he deserves the flowers. Yeah, I think that was his game. In fact.
Yeah. Fun, beautiful from really fun. So, what did you think about the starting 11? But it's not like you are complaining, Mr. Mlam. I mean, it's a 6-0. It's a 6-0 win.
Sure.
But for me, in fact, too, when I saw the starting 11, I was like, "Oh, you can't, in fact, like you can't put your best player or police on the bench." Like where we really need the points. In danger. Okay, Cash, you can say, okay, Cash, you can, it's not that attacking player where he'll show up where we need goals. But someone like Poli, in fact, he needs to be there, in fact. Tito as well, we've been crying, in fact, Mlungu hasn't been performing to the level that we expect him to be, You can't throw Amatais, Right at the end, in fact, it worked out. That one.
Sure.
Experimental. And I'll always say it if it's good. Every time we see these things, I just remember you, Mr. Mlambo, saying even if he wins the league, this guy is not a good coach. If it's Ghost, this guy is rolling the tires. If it's
Find.
if anything goes wrong, you. It's done. It's done.
I think that's the nature of their job. If it's you want sometimes they do crazy things, and if it works, then you are hailed. And if it goes south, then on. As you are saying, if it went south on that game, it was gonna be like terrible. It was gonna look bad. So, but now it worked out. Easy,
Yeah, Mr. Mlambo, do you share the same sentiment with Ghost?
True, like there's this thing, football, like it's a basic thing.
Yeah.
Miss Carl, it's almost angazi maybe amabhakane can attest isibaningi.
Sure.
Sijabulile, it worked. But coach it's too experimental. I understand. Sometimes you ask yourself, why? But my 17 is such a bull,
yeah.
But like, if I span, kube siyakhala manje. I understand. But like njengoba ushilo before the pod iqala, angeke intanga sicomplain kakhulu. Isebenzile ayisimuphewa.
Some guy. Some guy. And then the 2 guys who came in, obviously we're not used to seeing them week in, week out. Tichong and Masindi Noptachela.
Yeah.
What do you think of their performances?
I think Masindi always a beautiful thing akayenzile offensively ile yapha sinalethu pass akayikhiphisa engikhohliwe ukuthi uyikhiphele bani
Sibilibili,
understand
for
it was a
that goal.
beautiful
Yeah,
pass
yeah,
maka
yeah.
like he
Shout
gave
out
us
to
balance yangithola in terms of the energy yakhe lesikhuluma ngayo we didn't miss cash kakhulu but still ngoba iTS Galaxy didn't come to us also message me I understand I wouldn't complain about them but before the game started I complained I don't want to lie to you nakumapakani I wanted Tito there I wanted at least Mbatha and MasterChef marispanile ndanga I understand so asingamosheli coach nomlungu he was not too bad I understand but like he can get better than that siyangithola I love the way space elangala ibola eboxini I understand that there was a ball urila kamphasile nize nikhala nithi istriker lesaza to uyalibuyisa I like those kind of things I understand he can improve on that angifuni ukubashaya kakhulu namhlanje ngisashaya le 6-0 fever
You don't need to. I think Masindi Fetu, he had a decent performance. And I even go said it ukuthi it's not too young taller like Gakulu down because it's getting in that 6 role. Young taller in danger. I think putting him as an 8 sometimes you expect way too much from him. But Magada young taller at least it's trap and pass, you know. I know you like those type of players, when they are there, you know, keeping it simple. And I think his energy as I know we love Ketleni, but when it comes to riding engine, Masindi has an engine, decent performance from me for riding for Nomtachera. I still need to see more from Utichong, you know. I don't know what was the strategy or the plan in that game because I saw Umbutuma like dropping a lot, allowing Umlungu like to go forward. It was interesting, and I think in fact
same as the one yakamaghupa so ukuvala sakhumbula ngihlale ngikhala I think that I forgot the game ukuthi if maghupa uyamove la uDiyong uyangena yabona no I think you cried about that ukuthi umbuthuma make sondela uDiyong uyasikhava lesa space so guys into ezithu ngesikhathi esi1 during igame e1
ne but uDijong but he went kakhulu like u9 he was more of a number 9
his coach instruction
because that game was crazy really you wouldn't say he was on the right wing
was everywhere
really was playing a 10 let's be honest Ghost
I think I saw like more of like Nerzala with the 99 one turn because outside Mbutuma le Tichong they were always in and around that forward position but neither of them was playing like a 10 for me so I felt like really as you are saying was covering more of that space rather than the two of them so that's why maybe for now I would say they were twin 9 rather than Oiwan was a striker or Mungasha 10 then Relay was all over that park. In fact, you saw he was running things.
True.
But now he was he was just mega fringe. Play anywhere, boy. Yakumla lama game akhe lawa i3 lawa wathola ama man of the match ilandelana. You remember how he played, but there he was linking no Apolis ngithola sometimes uzomthola phakathi sometimes umthola eside. I think like he had like a free role kule game. That's what I can say. Because more unokumthola go right lo akaqale ngaye abamvezile on paper, but na ku left mozomthola. Nase center mozomthola like as a number 10. I think he had a free role njengoba uGhost asho. Umbuthuma when he goes to the side, if you can remember Mbuthuma uyophasa uMuremi from the side. Ukuthi initially that was the plan yaka coach ukuthi njengoba ngokufaka wena Diyong your plan is ukuthi umbuthuma make eside or when Buthuma is not there when I need you to cover that space I think that was the plan yaka coach.
But Nina, I'm still saying if it's like Umlungu was not dropping too much like Umbuthuma was dropping that's what I saw and because a lot of people are crying about his first touch most of the time it bounces off him but on that game in the like if it Ghost was no complain or he needs to score. We can't be winning 6-0 and our strikers not scoring.
Sure.
But in fact, he was everywhere. He was trying.
Yeah.
Even that penalty,
him.
that red card,
Sure.
it's him. No, I'm not complaining too much.
Same.
Even that ball, you see that ball, bayenza keeper i-star. I think it was Songa captain saying
ngikhalile ukuthi
yeah
mina ashaya isijijo
Hey.
iv
that was a beautiful shot, in fact. Like, keeper made an outstanding save for me, in fact. Power behind the ball. In fact, I had a chance to look back at that chance. Now, if I don't believe, layout, in fact, that guy connected with that ball, in fact, hard and low,
but it was not far me phambi kwagoalkeeper.
but you can't put every ball top corner.
No, we're not saying the shots mengana mlilo, but mengekho fair
No
like
key,
mengekho
bese tuze no
me phambi
key.
kwagoalkeeper.
So
now
another thing.
you need a split of the second reaction if you could keep. I wanna if mhlambe bekayishayile it was this height, you could understand to keep. But going down, to catch that ball.
Imagine how tall is that guy?
Tall.
That goalkeeper.
Yeah.
How tall.
So why I'm even giving it to him.
That's
Those
why
are quick reflexes.
Yeah, that ball was close to him. That's why it was easy for him to get to it.
If you're saying it's close, it's him. Yeah, that ball was here. That guy wish I
Not like goalkeeper's range. It's not like he's scraping to get to the ball.
If it's not done, it's top, is near the post.
Yeah,
so
that's ke mo tlokorante.
You can put all the balls down.
But it's not all the balls. It's not all the balls. I'm not saying he must put all the balls there.
So what do you say?
You are saying that was a brilliant shot. You're saying no, it's not a brilliant shot.
For me, it was a good. Okay, not brilliant, but a good shot. I can't complain and say
it was not like ngendlela osho ngayo. Wow.
No. Now I'm not saying it's wow, but I'm saying it was a good shot for me. It was a good shot.
Yeah, but for me, he's supposed to score. Score that chance. For me, bury that chance. If you are a strike. Bury that chance.
It's not a must. He must score.
He must score.
It's not a must score. I don't agree with you.
That's why I'm saying he tried. But I improve ukuzama ukulisa le. But angikhala kakhulu.
Phela ukhumbula ukuthi lo muntu kuphi ta. It's not like lo muntu outside the box. Ukaphakathi.
And that to create that chance as well.
Yeah.
He tried.
No. He did right in positioning
The shot position.
Yes, ayekashaya phakathi ta.
Supposed to improve on that.
No, but you guys didn't give him credit to at least he tried. Tory space, because let's be honest, Mutuma hardly does that,
Sure.
But in fact, I felt like the guys were ready to hammer Mutuma.
You felt wrong, but we were just saying that Mutuma scored that goal. Mutuma scored that goal.
Yeah.
But now, I also wanted to add or refer to Nemtachel. I was happy with these cameo fits, especially because I was not really impressed with Cash's performance past couple of weeks.
Yeah.
So I was looking forward to that Nemtachela introduction, and I think for me, that position suits him better. Fit as a 6, rather than the 8. And I think playing Limbat just makes things easier. So I think Nemtachela Mfethu can do the job for us there.
Yeah.
And then Mlungu Mfethu, striking force in Mfethu. I think that's where he can try. But I think I think I understand the coach's decision. We need goals. We need to convert. So I think I get the thinking, and it's a good thing that it paid off. sibuye ne-6 goals even though ama-striker wethu awakoranga mina ngisakhala bese ama-striker vele akore
Swinile 6
hayi angikhali ngokuthi asiwinanga yeah ngithi ama-striker wethu must contribute to that 6 nabo bakore
But they
more.
contribute, two more contributed, and that's a massive contribution.
But that 6 came from him, you can say that. Basically, because that moment, ibe yashintshela igame.
Sure.
Naphasa kaphasa umuremi ngayo ukuthi sithole le yanto le ibe yachange igame.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
but I'm just saying ukuthi I want them on the score sheet.
Yeah.
I want them riding ama-striker wethu compete i-top goal scorer. That's what I want. Yeah.
But then Mbutuma has been doing well, man. He's been scoring. Though his form na itipile kancane, but he's scoring. I think if coach can continue now, he'll definitely get more goals.
Yeah, that's what I've always said now.
Yeah. And then President Damo 2000 Coast. Really Mofokeng.
I am fit.
He's tricky hero fit.
Yeah.
I saw a state to 2026.
Sure.
He has like 7 goals and 3 assists in how many games?
I'm not sure.
I think it's like 10 games.
Sure.
Young Todd in danger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Cool.
amazing
Scary
numbers.
Scary numbers.
Hello, like the numbers.
Man of the matches. You Young Todd in danger.
Second round of the season, I think 24.
Hey, and I saw it's the highest. No one is
player of the season.
more than man of the matches than him this season.
Yes.
So
and imagine hearing injury the whole season.
Sure. At some point, yeah.
But I think if it had a fantastic game, in fact, and that's what we always looking out for. Our Bona president, in fact, we know he can give us those performances. That's why we're always expecting a lot from him. And our one fit to this game. He gave us everything. And if it over that free kick, he could like a lot. Give really that free kick to play. You don't always have to blast it. So I think it's a more ufinyana. Give really placeable. Simple. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful performance. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 performance and then a beautiful free kick. In fact,
sure.
Yo. I like you place it.
Cut and paste.
You can see in our really sometimes, or maybe he's still young on top. But these superstars, in fact, once we know, in fact, I was not planning more gaming. You are the plan.
Sure.
You must tell Bo to give me free kicks. I wanna if maybe it's long, I want to.
Sure.
I know I don't have the power.
Sure.
But anything closer to that box, give it to me. Then I practice at Jimmy. If it can score a lot of goals. If it
definitely
stop playing. If it Mr. Mlambo, he said it. If it do it. I've never seen a player this era.
With one PhD. What did you take off here?
Everything like really is becoming a serious player. Now, like if it is carrying Orlando Pirates, and I know it's carrying us where it's at the most crucial point of
it
the
matters
season.
most.
Where it matters most, because now we're getting into March, April, May. Kimo League setlo kwala teng. We really need him. And Napoli,
Sure.
but I think now if it is showing, if it I'm the main guy. Tricky goes to fit.
It's no more.
Yes, no more. Tricky fit.
Bapaya balitse mpolo bana yona mo kereng ya bona.
We used to go seasons opula season ile ya rona ya body 1-0, 2-1.
Yeah. Lucas Twan. Sure.
Hola ta Lucas Twan.
Ineli ana top goal scorer those days.
Yeah.
Goal scorer. Yeah. And you could see in that game, and I haven't said it, our plan here is real. It was more of give really the ball. Every time he has the ball, it looks like we're going to create something. If it really is becoming something else now.
But sometimes it must just be that. Let's give the ball to real.
Let's just give the ball to real.
The boy is a plan.
The boy is special, Mr. Lam.
But see, I was cool little PhD. sesishutha kanje kuze kuphele bathi uzothi iputi emfaneni malume emfaneni ku PhD bafuna kuba ama 2000 manje bafuna ukuthi urile bathi president kurile you know why the boy is special. That's the advice. The boy is special gaw.
Sure.
Ushilo PhD ukuthi akababona bomangmang. Ayinama ngibabonanga ndanga. Ayimna nakhe ngokubonayo lana mfethu umfana omncane mfethu is doing so well. And I think like intanga it's a blessing ukuthi yena usasela kithi.
Sure.
Because now even noma sekahamba uzobe sekasibone zonke ivunguvungu zala ekhaya. You understand like mfethu kushoda ukuthi awini league for us.
Sure.
I complete play eSouth Africa.
Sure.
Shota ngekef. Individually, what has the boy won? What is the boy doing? This second round in Tangangazi mina umfana like Kudleni.
Oh, fana.
But he's doing it. Yes, sometimes the performance I cannot get.
Sure.
But like he gives us this Ntanga lo muntu lo it's potential player of the season. Yes, ukhompisa nowapolice angibazi laba bayelo mina ukuthi ubani. Yes, ukhompisa nowapolice. Hayi mara Ntanga urile Ntanga ngathi it's coming best now.
Mfethu like I remember mfethu I think mfethu Tekomdise Ghost mfethu.
Sure.
I remember that Tekomdise when Tekomdise was fire mfethu.
Scoring week in
now
week out.
mfethu in my time then I won't lie until Tekomdise although he had a short tenure until Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
But Tekomdise Ntanga mina Tekomdise mfethu that's the best player I've seen if I'm wearing a Orlando Pirates. Yeah.
I mean, I like to disagree now.
No, it's mine. Sure. Nkamunga ngitshela wena
You can't disagree.
I can't disagree. Lodge. I want to get to lodge. Goes to lodge. Goes to lodge. Ngababalu akutekomudise mfethu njengoba asho isikhathi esincane. Lodge ghost.
Uthi
nje mekahlala imali.
Lodge vele longa.
But the lodge.
And talent he was good as
Lodge.
well.
Mara talent Teku fana. Ayina fana. Yabona uTeku mfana. Teku here short spell ngithola. But there was this season Ntanga like ashaya number 11 adali left.
Ngicabanga I know him well.
Asaqhina Ntanga.
Uya ku Super Sport.
Yeah.
Ayabona la mfethu Teku mfita kalitholanga kuphela le gama lika general. He was the general himself ngithola. But the down part yakatiko is that he didn't win us anything. Ngithola into enjani. There comes a young man really ngithola and I remember Tekomdise ke phela bekase veteran makafika ku Pirates. I think 27 28 ngithola into enjani. Look at President number 2K ngithola into enjani. How old is he? 21. At his age in fact look at his achievements so far. The trophies that he has won us ngithola. If this boy Mfethu takes us the league, Mr. Mlambo Mfethu, I don't know, Coast. I don't know if we can negotiate a stage for him.
Then he goes.
And then he can leave. Like if he can bring us the league back, you fit.
Sure.
Stage you then go.
Ask Ngamni.
How many of them who came and okay, not failed, but didn't reach the heights.
Yeah.
It was that hype of he's our best player, but he's not winning us anything.
Yeah, I'm fit to really done it all now. If you can get the league, then you can give it to him.
All are called, not all are are chosen. Relay is a chosen one. There is no one in our generation. Izwa mina ngithi nalentwana lezano. Phela Relay we can say is part of our generation in the pirate shirts. Izinto akazenzile. Yes, Mbokazi did, but kancane.
Yeah.
Tangurile ntanga. Yabo Teko by far. Sorry to say that. Ngiyamncane mina begeza general. Lodge by far.
Yeah.
Sifiso myeni by far.
Yeah.
Tanga ngababala bonke mfethu. Orile ubaba we Orlando Pirates in this generation.
At his age ntanga like that's scary mfethu. Imagine this young man once he's 25, 26 mfethu.
Mfethu fanele simbone ku EPL by that time. Mina I would really like to see him. Asokoloko sobukela urile for Orlando Pirates. It's not fair mfethu. It's not fair. The boy must go, mfethu. Must go and play with other guys abashaya quality top. Now it
But
will improve
if
as
it
a person.
doesn't go, now I'm not complaining. If it's
I mean, I am, Tangai.
I'm not
He must
complaining.
explore,
Just
Ntanga.
give us this leagues if it season in, season out, season in, season
Akahamba
out.
uzobuya sekabuya sekamdala.
A break the record.
Yeah.
Get a break the record.
But I'm not breaking the record. Like, what's the point? Okay, Coast, you wish him well, have high, or can't, you know.
Sure.
To better himself, and his family will be proud,
Yeah.
But that's the point. He wins us the league now, and then next season, Sundowns we dominance because we don't have that special player. Okay, we have Polipoli.
Polipoli is
Find
there.
another one.
Polipoli is there. But Nandwana, this thing of us giving out our best player. Let them win. If it win. Once it's 25, 26 now, Sega ready for that stage, and then he can go.
Where?
In danger, yeah?
Where? Which stage at 26? It's his time now. In Tangazaki, what are they doing? Yamal is 18, 19, is doing the most. I need him to go compete Coast in Abo Yamal there with UCL.
Yeah.
If needs be in Tanga, it's Katsaka, it.
Sure.
Pela, if you must understand something, not for only like Orlando Pirates or what, the country also, if the boy goes, maybe it's gonna be more special than what we see here. You understand? If he's into Zenzagala Grand. It's gonna be an investment for us because ipola langa yilizokhula and then sizoyithola enye intwana yes ngeke ifane no really you understand but at least intanga ipola langa yilizobe seliyakhula kakhulu. Yeah.
If he goes in fit, obviously we'll be happy. We'll be happy.
Yeah.
Did you see the coach's writing post-match interview and
Yeah, I
crying
did.
about? You wanna say something, Coast?
It's Mr.
Oh.
No,
Mlambo.
it's okay.
Yeah, so I'm saying, did you see the Coast's post-match interview saying when the team goes away, Mbombela, Tebe,
Sure.
they're getting love, but he didn't mention Uti, but you could see if you read between the lines,
Yeah.
Uti, what he's trying to
It's
say is
home.
that Escotini, sometimes no go impatient in a match, in danger.
I think Upucha washo lento le. The position which Orlando Pirates, it's been long since Sikhona because Sundowns has been dominant. Njengoba usho.
Yeah.
Now it's April, May, but we're still talking about the league race. So number one is Sundowns is in a game in hand.
Yeah.
So that's why I should think bigger on both sides.
Yeah.
Even fans are frustrated now because they want to win this thing. It's been long overdue, and this is our year. You understand for us to win it. So sometimes yabona kube mekaseskodini. I don't want to lie to you. Ngale first 11. Kube kunjani? Kube squatile. We are tough eskodini. You understand?
Yeah.
Not because we don't love the team, we don't support him,
Yeah.
but players like are curious. They want to supporters. I mean to say they want to win this thing. You understand?
Yeah.
It's not like there is no love or what. And you must understand, abantu baseskodini,
Yeah.
they go more to the stadium than compared to other provinces.
Yeah, sure,
Because
sure,
Sekhaya,
easy,
you understand? So there is home. You understand? The team can give us more. So it's not like there is no love. There's just that thing. Abantu bafuna ukuthi team win.
Sure.
And the coach to do isn't as simple. That's my perspective on this one.
Yeah, Ghost.
Yeah, I think it's one of those unnecessary things from the coach.
That's fun.
Yeah, I think it was really unnecessary. In fact, we just won 6-0.
6-0.
Take your flowers and keep it moving. In fact,
Yeah.
One's all.
In the league.
yeah, because you are peddling on that thing that has been happening, and we thought we are over it, and then now you are rubbing salt again on the wound.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think unfortunate from the coach.
It's unfortunate, Ghost. In fact, I don't think they didn't even ask him that question.
Yes.
So they said, "Coach, thoughts on the game."
Yeah.
He went on a rant, and then he ended up saying things that is not supposed to. Let's be honest.
I wanted to say that
So,
for so long.
He wanted to see, he just needed a platform. And believe in me, if maybe we threw that game, he wasn't. So, because sometimes in fact, like you
That's
can
the
be
problem,
overconfident sometimes. Because now it's 6, now you're excited, you feel like you can, say unnecessary things.
Can I jump Tanga there? I
Yeah.
think that's what I've realized ngocoach wethu. If izinto zihamba kahle, ngathi uba
Yeah.
overconfident,
Sure.
then we remain humble always.
Sure.
Yes, then masedliwe ikhanda lakhe liba phansi.
Sure. Natural.
It's unnecessary, Ghost.
Vana Ghost, you said it well. In fact, like it's unfortunate. Like, you're not supposed to be sitting here discussing a coach and like you throwing shade at us. In fact, also what are you saying? Like and it's natural. In fact, Mr. Mlambo, if in fact you like if we see you every day, we won't appreciate you as much. Sometimes we'll go out, say maybe really mufukeng, young Zol in Dinjan. Magasendini mfethu, like say I'm joyel really, young Zol in Dinjan. But Masega am fit that's outing shy around Unchige parking. You'll see fans screaming at really in
and it's not that at home they don't love him. They are used to him.
Young Zol in Dinjan. And at home, like we want to keep you honest. Yeah, we want to keep you honest, young Zol in Dinjan. So we must always. Because I believe if it was home, young Zol in Dinjan, even that 6, we want to push 7, another goal, young Zol, 8, young Zol in Dinjan. We trying to encourage the team to go even more, young Zol in Dinjan. Although Nami, I won't say Uti, like keep booing and what, that must stop, young Zol, that must stop, young Zol. But now, we just won 6-0 in fact. It's unnecessary for him to be trying to saying those things on national TV. Young Zol in Dinjan. I wonder what management said about that, young Zol. Because it was really, really, really unnecessary cost.
Very, very unfortunate.
Anything that you want to touch on, Mr. Mlambo, on the game?
Nah, I think Tango really cut the young.
No.
I think I've had just maybe in closing on that chapter, wishing more minutes for Chabazane in fact.
Sure.
I think I got one hand because necessary now. So but I think I'd like to see some more of him.
Sometimes they're now confused. But saying keep Podela there. You're gonna see Chabazane as well.
I was saying Podela is fine there because it's not leaky. That's what I was saying to you. I think it was like he's leaky. So no, did I say Chabazane is getting some minutes?
Sure.
And we are saying what? We wish him well. We wish him more minutes.
At the expense of Podela.
But without downplaying on Podela. Like Podela can also play right center back, which is his position.
And I like what PhD said about Podela. Sometimes you must consider that it's not his natural position. Left center back.
Yes.
I think that was beautiful. Like sometimes we criticize Podela, we forget about these things. Imagine if Siema went on that side now, because already now he has a mistake in him. If he went there now, I think now he'll have like even more mistakes.
If Chabazane or Pepe get in there,
Chabazane is his natural position.
Pepe
is not. Pepe is not. But I'd love to see him there because Pepe doesn't have a lot of mistakes.
So you know where I'm going. I'm not disregarding Podela njengoba Kosi. As much as we must be lenient on Podela because umhlatshelo, but if umhlatshelo awusebenzi, abangena abasebenzayo. That's my thing.
Good one. If it's Pepe as well, Chabazane as well. More minutes. It was good to see MasterChef as well.
Sure.
Moving on, Mr. Mlambo, to the national team. We saw that Hugo Broos called some of our players. From that prelim, he called how many? 12? Was it 12?
11.
11.
Yeah.
Now I was cut and
final.
some of our players that we were expecting to see there, you know, were cut. So let me just read out the ones that he called. It's Oswina Polisi, Nkosina Tisibisi, Talent Mbata, Tsepang Muremi, Evidence Mahopa, Relable Khele Mufukeng. 6 players.
Angeka sure.
I think intanga uchoose kahle ngithola like in terms of us, but like we always going to have questions.
Yeah.
Go Shuko. Abami uzokutshela ukuthi why lo changeko. Uzokutshela ukuthi why sobiza umshishi. Uzokutshela izinto ezibhaya, understand?
Sure.
And I think that's good for the country.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm not saying yonke into akayikhethile ubabiyoko eGrand, but I mean for the country yethu saying a competition.
Yeah.
A lot of people, there are a lot of names which we think they deserve to be there, which is just a very good thing. Lento mengisho like ukuthi at least in the country like ibola lethu seliyathutuka, which is what we want. But like eshindanga naye uYugo Prusun ukukhuluma izinto eziningi uyakhohlwa angazi usekakhulile uzoyenza le this time then ashintshe akutshele leyo, understand? Mina u still okay umbule understand ukuthi abangamntonsanga why ama minutes akhe like for iPirates it's been long and uyacava ingwenye as much as imnandi ngedisk, but like uyazi unfitness unfit and there you must notice makedlala ku squad udlala as a number 10. And I think put in good shift, you understand? I would have liked to see him there, you understand? I would like to see him more for take round in because like samkhumbula kakhulu Master Chef, but at least like gradually uyazwakala. And another player from us mengathanda ukumbona uSibilibili Ntanga is proving himself each and every time ukuthi like mina ngumamosha kaMampela, understand? And I enjoy this thing. I think nasikhatha ehlili for me it was just injury, but now he's getting back mfethu. He's proving everyone wrong laba megabit value kuye ukuthi actually I do this thing. Uyelinye player at the big one Ntanga yakasipho mfethu yo amanye amabhakani yajabulile ukuthi uSipho akekho there. You understand? And I'm the one who always cries for him with his personality yakhe, but like it's showing with ezinye like they're going to catch up with you. You understand? You shouldn't be big. You should always remain humble. Noma kungayenzakalani noma ungayiche ukuthi sowufikile awukakafiki. I think ubheke leyo nto le yakasipho nama fan
exactly that. Did you hear this As an interview after that, Masibambuza more questions. They asked him about Sipho, saying Sipho young Zol in danger. And then it was interesting, young Zol, because he had an experience outside of Orlando Pirates, young Zol. He said during that AFCON, young Zol, there were negative, like there was a negative atmosphere, young Zol in danger. So someone was trying to, you know, create factions that young Zol in danger, or groups young Zol in danger. So for me, it didn't say direct young Zol in danger, but for me, it's obvious young Zol. He was talking about Sipho, young Zol in danger. So Sipho na obviously we're not happy in Ntanga. We want to see Sipho on the national team, young Zol. But Sipho he must work on his attitude, young Zol in danger. But just remain humble. Like it costs you zero, Mr. Mlam. Zero, young Zol in danger. The boy has talent, in fact. You can't be dropped for off the field things, young Zol in danger. Quality goalkeeper, in fact. After that Williams, we know it's Sipho, but imagine now being dropped off things outside the pitch. And worse, it's not even drugs or alcohol or it's just in the behavior, something that you can change easily, young Zol in danger. So he must really work on his attitude, Ghost.
Yeah, no, I think we've spoken a lot about his attitude. I think if he can fix it, it's better for everyone. Yeah.
Master Chef or Grand, it's not there.
Yeah, I think understandable in Fetu Machita Wakatiling. I think I was maybe Nekilelas Bilebele. He's been good. And Tito maybe also deserves a shout. But maybe outside Pagani, I would say also maybe that Reina Sky strike.
Yeah.
But he's not playing for Sundowns.
Hey, but when he plays,
Yeah,
that's one
I
goes
told you the
there.
minutes, you gotta.
I told you,
Because I know Reina is like a good striker.
he's a good strike, and I was looking at his record. Hey, that guy with his numbers.
One
Ghost,
to other
you,
boy.
he has numbers.
Exactly.
Santos, Super Sport, Stellenbosch, and so.
Sundowns.
If it's Sundowns, this guy has
guy's
numbers.
dangerous.
Yeah,
man.
that's like
numbers
he's a
for
deadly
days,
striker.
and so.
Not him see him too.
Yeah.
You want to.
Yeah.
Na
But
na khona nka magopa sa dlale go Pirates re dladisa mabasa. If you remember.
Yeah,
Hugo Bruce.
yeah.
Yeah. Ne re starta mabasa.
Who goes?
Yeah, yeah. I
No,
don't
but
know.
am I like
Yeah, no, you know, it's them because
I don't know. I feel like Mahopa and it's this guy.
Yeah,
And I think now he has a credit in the bank. Was got with even Mahopa, they can give Mahopa like maybe 30 minutes from now until World Cup.
World Cup.
We know Mahopa will be there.
But I mean, I think Mahopa wouldn't complain or in the final squad.
Yes,
But
yes.
for me, that Lyle Foster guy, so convincing fit. For me, I would take that Reina's guy over Lyle
Reina's,
Foster.
yeah. Yeah. Mahopa was a squad thing for some reason.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it's a different card to pull. And so sometimes when you losing, even that last game, one so like you need a goal, you throw in Mahopa playing long ball, so and so. And for some reason, you go Bruce motivate.
Motivate,
Like in fact to be there, fight for everything.
Yeah.
So I'll go run a little balanyana. Maralgara. It's always said it. So overall in fact to Tito Masangani, it's not there as well. You see our coach now, Pela Fetu. Him not playing Tito. He's hitting his chances of going to the World Cup.
and we can't complain to Hugo Bruce.
No, we can't.
But on that, Buffett, didn't he take Mshish?
He
took Mshish. I think he has a lot of credit in the bank. From this guy.
Sure.
Like ishigawala, like umshishi mfethu anganasende sibathethi imncane uDidi ushisha umadala mfethu. We know that.
Bekumshishi man manje akasathusi man.
No, but like that thing akanayo, the experience akanayo ngegame. Sometimes uyakhona ukwinisa abafana ngokuthi hayi boy asenze so, you understand. I think that's also that ubonile naye iphutha lakhe eqaleni as much as meka injured ukuthi I needed Mshishi there.
Sure.
Yeah.
So now Bumshishi Bumahopa and I think like they have a lot of credit in the bank. If that guy, never fit. I am doing that guy. Who took Alagamahopa and Mshishi until like it. Oh, viable now and so.
Yeah.
And hopefully fit to Mshishi then fit gives us something because we know Lena special player. On his day he can destroy anyone.
Sure. But if he's saying that he really is gonna be playing 10. Then I
think
don't know.
uzomdlalisa ama-minutes amancane ayimanage because angiloko ushaya injalo naye sekaba umadala no.
Yeah. I think they'll be doing this.
Yeah.
But this one is not for the World Cup, Jen. Silungsen. It is for this friendly match.
But you
preparation
already
for-
know.
Sure.
Yeah, but you already know it really will be there. Mshishi will be there.
Yes, really.
And so they'll be doing this and so in danger. And then Mr. Mlambo, we saw Kev. They forfeited. He came here.
Final.
Finally, Morocco versus Senegal. Initially, obviously, Senegal won 1-0. So during that 1-0, young Tol, Senegal walked off the pitch, young Tol, in danger. And at that time, they didn't do anything about it. It came later after a few months now. They're saying no, actually, it's against the rules of CAF. So now the AFCON needs to be forfeited and Morocco must take, like Senegal must take back the cup. Young Tol in danger. Thoughts on that?
Wena ungayibuyisela imedali yakho. let me start there.
Sengikalisile
But
mina.
bring the medal back. Ungayibuyisela wena imedal yakho.
I'm not taking that.
Angeke uyithathe.
Yeah.
Ntanga I think like uyibeke kamnandi uno PhD.
Yeah.
Ushilo PhD they must know the rules, but the rules mfethu must be because urevrute winile mos Senegal.
Sure.
So that's also another thing, Ghost. Senegal won. Mina there Senegal won, I understand.
Yeah.
Ukukudala like isephepheni and utatane wayisho la iDengslayer ngakapheli ukuthi ayilizanga dlala sephepheni ngathi qedwe eboardroom ukuthi hayi Morocco must win here.
Yeah.
Now mabani yeah.
No, I was just saying with partner Kef now maybe be serious in fact. I mean like honestly Ntwana like I don't know you can't tell me you gonna come and take away the title from the team that won in fact. Iphelile in fact. Phela la mfethu if there was wrongdoing, fine, at least they say you're okay. We seeing the referee should have ended the game because these guys walked off the pitch.
Yeah.
Find the referee and his officials or something. So it's not like it's Senegal's fault that the law was not applied correctly. And a later too, I get they saying that the referee's decision is final.
Yeah.
The referee didn't blow the whistle that to say the game is over, you guys are off the pitch. So if he didn't, then these guys came back on the field and he continued the game. For me, in fact, the game continued. In fact, you lost. In fact, a lady player, in fact, they must have some shame. In fact, that's why you gonna want to go and collect the medal. Or game, in fact, you knowing very well that you lost.
Yeah.
Shameful.
Yeah, because you said it well. In fact, like if anything, that the first guys who made that terrible error is the officials. So the officials of that game must take responsibility.
Yes.
But also, careful Ndangalona is not serious. In fact, you can't come back. Like this thing is in black and white.
Sure.
If you know the rules are saying this, you can't take how long? You can't take this long to make that decision.
Yeah.
That thing to make it within a day, within two, like immediately. I mean, I was able to go to the internet and check CAF's rules in relation to this. This section says if players walk off the pitch, it's not supposed to be Morocco trying to lodge and then you try to act and then you take time. And
you know, Donna, as you're saying that, those same people that have been sitting for 2 months while busy, they were probably there watching the final, seeing this thing happen. So why couldn't they just get into a room and say, this thing is happening, let's quickly correct this there and there. Yeah, because it shows, as you are saying, it's a simple Google search away.
It's simple. It's not supposed to be dragging this long. Even forgot about it.
Exactly. And then now you get situations where now Bumo Salah, they're getting paid hundreds of millions of dollars or whatever it is. And then they have been told Ronald AFCON, you must go play AFCON. And then they must release them. We see the Basler. But when Kef behaves like this, in fact, you can't take them serious.
And at that stage, I'm making a good point. At that stage, when they call them most of the time, it's towards the end of the season where they need them most. Where the title race in fact now it's heating up. I mean, if it's like we becoming a laughing stock. South Africa, what are they doing? Like what are we doing? It's a simple thing. Come on, if it. Come on, if it. Sorry. Come on, if it. They must do better. Dr. Patrice Motsepe must really make some reshuffle or serious move. Put competent people there. You can't be just having people there sitting and collecting salaries there. And then quick announcements. Obviously, the TDC Orlando Pirates is playing against Kaizer Chiefs this Sunday. 12:30 at Makoko, Princess Makoko Stadium. Another thing is that obviously we haven't announced, but we saw that Brandon Fury from Stelis, head of recruitment in Tanga, it looks like he's coming to us. And on that in Tanga, you know, I want us to touch a bit on that because in Tanga, I feel like we're moving different. So sometimes we cry upon management and so on.
Sure.
But you can see we're now like we're moving different. You know that old Orlando Pirates and so on. Like we really looking at these small gaps and trying to fill them with experienced and competent people and so like it. I think in fact management deserves in fact their flowers and so like it. Mr. Mlambo. But previously in fact too, the signing of someone like Oswina Police in fact. It's not a signing that we just make in fact. We know Sundowns in fact they come with a pack of money and so like it. Give these players, but in fact you can see if it's like something is happening at Orlando Pirates and so on.
Yeah.
And it's only a matter of time. And I think even this season, if it's where now we become level with Mamelodi Sundowns and so like it. Yeah. And so.
Yeah.
So flowers goes to management.
I think we're getting back.
Let's give them.
Getting back.
Nah.
Because Pirates Dala would sign star players. Was good at lazy your compete.
Sure.
I think they're getting back to that culture.
Nah.
Which you understand. Mayodala go Pirates now as a player must understand. Yeah, that means I'm really a good player.
Nah.
Yeah.
And another thing if to when I'm writing, it's a cycle as Mr. Mlam.
Sure.
Like you can decide now with now I want to intensify things. Young Tola, invest, young Tola, put in more money into this thing. But guess what? You put money once, young Tola. After putting it once, it's a cycle, young Tola in danger. You win more trophies, you generate more income, get lots of sponsors, supporters are coming back. That money is coming back to you. You reinvest it, young Tola. I think that's what Mamelodi Sundowns managed to master throughout these years, young Tola. Now I think we're doing the same, young Tola in danger. We're doing the same. Yeah.
Those ones, they take from Umnigas.
Yeah.
Not from the team. See, now you're doing that. Bona from Umnigas, we team.
Oh, no. Yazi Mr. Mlampe kanjani. Umnikazi uyikhiphile. It's fine. Initially uyikhiphile, ngithola.
Sure.
But Sundowns going through Abu FIFA World Cup. Remember they received a lot of money.
Yeah.
They got it in dollars. Ngithola. When they got in those, imagine what that does to a Mamelodi Sundowns bank account. Ngithola in danger. Taking the league, going to semis every season. We care. Ngithola in danger. Those guys, their bank balance is positive. What they do, they sign a Brazilian player. Now it's a cycle.
Yeah.
Now I feel like if we were to go to Club World Cup, it will be nice. It will be nice. You'll be on a positive, and then you keep on doing the same thing. Sure,
but I think leading to that, in fact, we've also managed to generate good revenue with selling players.
Winning the cups. We've been winning the cups also.
Sure.
The past 3-4 seasons.
Yes.
We've been winning.
Yes.
Yeah.
And all these things, they come from these things, like signing a head of
The
recruitment.
Amstel, Arena.
Yeah.
A lot of things.
So,
Yeah.
also, happy belated birthday to Sipombule.
Birthday, Master Chef.
Also, Mapagania, look out for upcoming Parks recap. Are we gonna do it before that day or after?
Before the end of the international break.
Yeah.
Before the end.
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you just do two? Do it one now and do one after the international break.
Yeah.
I can remember that thing is to check.
But now
we're just checking the whole of this period, like from that previous international break to now.
Yes.
And everything that happened.
So you're saying Siyenze kanjani?
So then we just gone on the second one. We just talk about the two friendlies.
Yeah, maybe on the second one you can touch on the two friendlies.
But
it will be too short.
I think it's gonna be too short. Joe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be too short, but we can check it offline.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then our local host, how are we looking there?
Well, look, gentlemen, not a lot of movement. Obviously, we're just getting 1 point each for getting the correct prediction that the Pirates will win. And then we didn't get the correct score, as no one saw a 6-0 coming. So, yeah, Fire still on top, leading 2 points, closely behind Mlandele Mbatha. Mpatha la kuye Mr Mlambo.
Umlandeli Mbatha. Asho kanjani? Ngizofuna ukuzibhatha.
Sabingimangele.
Yo.
Mr Mlambo sayibambe emchileni bafethu.
Mbatha nami.
Hayi wena ukude wena.
Badlalile abafana.
Lemsileni le.
Badlalile abafana. Abafana bayachoba.
Bayachoba abafana.
Yeah.
And then angazi mfethu, what are we playing next? Because maybe we can do our predictions because
7. Sizoyenza after
Ilpaka uwaka squad.
Pirates. I get it so that we can do our predictions for our next game.
Nah, Artasha when it's close.
Okay, go Bucks recap.
Yeah.
Now,
Go back to cap.
Or it's a mix up.
yeah, that's what I was saying. Or
Yeah,
maybe we should just do it here and then we lock it in for the next one.
Sharp.
Yeah. Nah, but it's fine. Re tla dumela groupung fethu. Mapagane re tla inform ka di social tsana like when the game is near if you don't get a chance.
Yeah, all right.
Nah, we've reached the end of the show, Mr. Mlambo. Thanks for tuning in, Mapagane.
Hayi beke kamna. Thanks for tuning in. Qhubekani isithande nesisupport. Sonipha le content.
Thank you Mapagania. Supporting abafana baku bafana bafethu. And yeah, sohlangana via masibuya uBucks recap Mapagania. Upa.